Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React testing library. Today we are going to learn about the fire event.submit. Simulates a submitting form. By the name you can see that the submit, that whenever we have a form then we do the submit, so it will trigger. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So this function simulates a user submitting a form by dispatching a synthetic submit event to the specified form element. It is crucial for testing how your React application handles the form submission. Ensuring the form data is sent correctly, expected behavior after the submission. So whenever you have the form, so whenever you do the submit of the form, so whether the data is sent correctly, whether the validations are valid or not, so everything comes into the submit. Form element, this is the DOM element. So here you can see that this is a DOM element representing the HTML form you want to simulate submitting. It is typically obtained using the methods like get by role or screen get test by id to find the form element before triggering the submission. Okay, so here we have the example myform.jsx. Let's do this one. So let's create that one. So let me create this myform.jsx. Okay, so let me add this. Next we have a myform test.jsx. Let's add this one. So here we have the test form, right? Avoid destruction codings from the render result screen. Get form inputs. So with the get to by placeholder text, I think we should get it with avoid destructing the queries from render result. Use screen by get placeholder text. Okay, so let's add it. Screen dot get placeholder. We have to add the screen also. Screen dot. Okay, so here we need to add the screen. Okay, and here we are using like this get render. I think we should use something like this component render in the test form. So we will use this on submit. Let's see. Save this. Going to run the test cases. So we have the test cases like this. Source. We have a my form test. My form dot test. So you can see the test cases are passed. Okay, for this one, let's understand the code properly. Okay, so first we have the form. So we have the username and the password as a placeholder, and the okay, here you can see, right? So what we are doing, screen get by placeholder text. So in the here you can see that we have a placeholder, so we are getting the placeholder text, what exactly it is. So first we are fetching that one. Okay, so after this we get by text submit. Also we are getting the submit text. So this is again the submit. That definitely everything is correct. That means then we are going to do the fire event dot change. So first we have a test user, then we are adding the test password. Okay, so simulate the user input. So we are passing the test user and the test password. Okay, and then simulating the form submission, that is the click submit button. Simulates the form with the help of the click. Okay, and after that check if onSubmit function is called or not. So expect mock submit. So here we can see that we have a mock submit over here. Okay, and to have been called one time. So here you can see it's mentioned that the submitting the form calls onSubmit function and run all the test cases. Okay, let's dive more into deep. So here we have the something, we render the my form component with the mock on submit function, then we get use a placeholder by text or get by text using the get reference from the form inputs to the submit button. We simulates the user input by changing the values of the username and the passwords. Then we simulate the form submission by clicking the submit button using the fire event.click. Finally, we assert that on submit function, which is called exactly once. Okay, so here you can see if I do the sum of the, if I'm not getting the placeholder by this, if do something like changes over here, then definitely the test cases will be fail. Why? Because here you can see that we are not getting the placeholder which is username and the password, right? So here the test cases fails, right? So control y, right? So this is so here you can also add the validation part, like whether this form is required or not. Lots of things we can use in the testing here. Okay, I think I have already made one of that one, so we will do that part also, like validating the form input fields with the test cases. Because whenever we have a like form functionality, we have the fields like username should be like this much characters, email should be consist of the @gmail.com, and the password should be 6 letters or more. So this kind of testing that also precise for that one. Okay, so let's see in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video, hope you like it. Any doubt, any query, to let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.